G'day guys, this is CFMOTO 650 NK. Got 1,000 kilometres on it so far. Decided to do some modifications on the exhaust. I have removed the catalytic converter from underneath the bike. I'm getting down there. You should be able to see how I've made a link pipe up. It's got a 45-degree bend in it, using the original gasket to the header pipes and another one to slip over the rear muffler. I've used the original muffler, as you can see. The original muffler works very well actually. Looks very clean and tidy and gets rid of that big catalytic converter. Now I'll just turn it on. 2 secs. I've noticed a vast improvement on the overall running of the bike. It doesn't seem as sluggish. I'm sure it's actually improved the performance a little bit. The catalytic converter weighs around about 10 kilos, so it takes a bit of weight off also. Anyway, hope it helps. See ya.